Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix BthA2DP.sys blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing BthA2DP.sys blue screen, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see a troubleshoot setting, click on that, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down, under others you will find Bluetooth. You have to just click on run. After that, you have to just click on yes, scroll down, click on continue. It will check for your pending Windows update. As you can see, it's still loading. It will take some time. You have to wait patiently. You can see, do you see a restart required message in this Windows update? Click on no. Then click on continue. You have to just click on run. You have to just click on yes, and it will fix us if there is any problem with your Bluetooth. After completion of this, just close this window, open the CMD, click on search menu, then type CMD, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to type sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. You have to wait to complete this process. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix BthA2DP.sys blue screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.